Want to start an online store but don't want to spend hundreds up front? In this video, I'll show you how to build your very first Shopify store for just $1. Even if you're a complete beginner. Step 1. Start with the $1 deal. Shopify is running a special promo right now, and you can get 3 full months of any plan for just $1 per month. That gives you 90 days to build, launch, and grow. All for just $3 total. I'll drop the link below so you can grab that deal. Click the link in the video description to create Shopify account for only $1. Step 2. Pick a niche and product next. Choose a niche, something you're interested in or has a clear audience. You could start with things like fitness gear, pet products, or trending items on TikTok. Use dropshipping or print on demand to avoid upfront inventory costs. Step 3. Build your store. Once you're in Shopify, pick a free theme, customize your homepage, add your products, and set up your checkout. It's all drag and drop, no coding needed. Shopify even gives you tools to accept payments and track orders. Step 4. Launch and market. Now it's time to drive traffic. Start with free methods like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Pinterest. Or test paid ads with just $5 a day to speed things up. Don't overthink it. Just get your product in front of real people. Wrap up. Building your first Shopify store is easier and cheaper than ever. With this $1 for 3 months deal, you have time to test, learn, and launch without pressure. Click the link in the description to get started today. Start Shopify 3 months for $1 now. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more beginner-friendly e-commerce tips.